Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome to a brand new year of Draw TV. This year we're going to have more videos than we normally have, including specialty videos like the one you're watching right now. Today is Thursday, so we're having Throwback Thursday Draw TV. In this new series, I'll show something from the golden age of comics, or stuff I drew when I was a little kid, and I'm going to redraw them with the skill set I have now. So without further ado, as I always say, grab your pen and paper, it's time for Draw TV. When I was a young person, I used to make folded comic strips, or comic books, out of just paper, of course it's notebook paper like from school, folded over like this, and then I would draw on them, and all kinds of craziness. So what I'm going to do today for my throwback drawing is I'm going to take this center drawing, if I can find it again, where is it? Yep. This one right here, and I am going to draw for you today on Throwback Thursday Draw TV, the first man, but draw it with the modern skill set I have.
Maybe this thing is through, ain't nothing left to do, except to say goodbye. Don't get out of my life, I'm pushing, you won't leave, I'm not ready to scream. Maybe this thing is through, ain't nothing left to do, except to say goodbye, 'cause I'm ready to cry. Now get out of my face, don't 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 get out of my face, go away.
And there you go, from this pencil drawing from my little comic when I was a young person to this wonderful little drawing I did just now in the old school comic style. So something that I drew a long time ago when I was a kid, I forgot how old, but somewhere in there, I drew as a kid, I was able to go back with the skills that I have now and draw something like this. Is it perfect? No. Did I have fun doing it? Yes. I suggest to anyone, if you've got kids running around the house, make little foldy comics like I was saying in the other part of the video. They're fun to do, and it's very creative and a lot of fun, and it'll get your kids into comics. And we'll see you next time on Draw TV. It's going to be jumpy.
That's how